If you have saw Sealant from China, you have seen 100 times. Every supplier page looks the same. High resolution photos of production lines, workers in lab coats, huge warehouses. Everyone calls themselves the leading manufacturer. But here's the uncomfortable truth. A large share of these factories are actually cheating companies. Photos can be staged. So, how do you tell who's actually making your product? Let me walk you through 4 signals that are very hard to fake.
Signal 1, and the most reliable one, the business scope on their license. This is public record. You can pull it from China's National Enterprise Credit System yourself. A real factory scope contains words like manufacture, produce, or process. A trading company scope only says wholesale or export and import. They might have a close relationship with some factory, but legally, they are not the ones making your goods. Ask any supplier for their unified social credit code. A real factory give it to you without hesitating. Signal 2. How focused their product range is. A real factory specializes in one category, maybe a few related ones. If a supplier's catalog sells everything from sealant to phone cases to garden tools, that's a trading company sourcing from dozens of small workshops. Focus is a fingerprint of a real production line. Signal 3. How they answer hard technical questions. Ask a real factory about curing time, modulus, movement capability, raw material grade. They answer precisely because they control the formula. A trading company gets away, or just say yes to everything. Same with minimum order quantity. A real factory has a real MOQ and won't pretend otherwise. If a supplier says yes to every spec and every tiny order, be careful. There's often a middleman who will figure out the production later. Signal 4, and this is the big one. Anyone can send you photos. What they can fake is a live continuous walk through the production line. Raw material going in one end, finished product coming out the other, in one unbroken shot. A stage photo shows you a corner. A real factory can show you the whole flow on a live video call any day you ask. So when you are evaluating a supplier, stop asking for more photos. Ask for live factory walkthrough. Now, full transparency. The reason I can walk you through these 4 signals is that this is exactly how we want you to check us. So let me apply our own test to ourselves. Our business scope says manufacturing. You can verify it on public record. We make one thing, sealants, not a catalog of unrelated products. Sealant is what we do. Ask us about modulus, curing, raw material grade, and we will go deep because we own the formula and the line. And our test reports carries CMA, CNAS, and the ILAC-MRA mark, which means the results are recognized internationally, not just locally. We are a manufacturing partner behind Sealant brands you may already trust. I'm not asking you to take my word for any of this. I am asking you to verify it the same way I just showed you.
So here's my offer. You don't have to fly to China to find out if we are real. Send me a message and I will take you through our line on the radio call. Raw material to finished product, whatever you want to see. Real factories don't hide. We will rather show you. Quick note on who I am, in case you have made it this far. I run Teflon, a sealant manufacturer in China. We make insulating glass sealants and construction sealants. We are the production partner behind brands you may already trust. That's the perspective these 4 signals come from.